观众朋友，大家好，欢迎收看客家新闻插枝。上述模拟考政府还是唔得的。上个礼拜，我们看到纽西兰的大学单单如有模拟考场，亦能还有模拟大学。不过，除了提供学生的有各种机会来接触族群文化，仍然要传论下去，韩国系要从事当今，也听我们台湾也可以点讲。模拟人系靠普罗萨奇自家嘅力量，1982年成立嘅第一个语言岛各行家了，如像系模拟托儿所，不过伊能无乜嘅欣赏，伊能讲模拟唔系用教嘅，故所如系本5000泡嘅模拟生人呢，明日早晨头9点到下晝頭3點，如談論沙期都會太人生活，安尼生人呢唔到啲嘅，如會講模擬嘅。而家紐西蘭還有模擬兒嘅小學、中學，仲可以用模擬法來教課。
Oh, Neni. Morena mo ko puna tamarikima.
Morena, Neni, Katarina, Kaitoko.
早晨9點，威靈頓太太希望嘅語言導讀唔談到嘅如係模擬法。喺紐西蘭有差唔多420人間，像安尼嘅托兒所，伊能揾到語言少，各行各業哦。中央間呢有4個大人來照顧25個小人哦。也對大人如係養普羅地輩嘅，有老人家，也有一間還有去後生嘅後生人哦。伊能係做伊能普羅地輩嘅社會同馬來嘅建設，重點呢用嚟教係本一群好年輕嘅小人呢，每日嘅生活啦，睇伊能模擬嘅語言同文化地輩，故所以能仲可以如係用模擬法來教學。語言島明日的考場，其實都係盡量本身人的生活大體模擬文化同風俗當中。準備是點前呢，新人的拜坐，線上共用，可以先同大家練一下模擬生活用語。
And then we go through our letters of the week. This is E. E is, that's how we say it in Māori. E in English, and that's fa. That's our number 4 in Māori. Sometimes we go through the colours of the rainbow, just to get the kids to know the colours. And this particular thing, which is a huge importance to Māori, it's our pepeha. So each Māori has a mountain where they come from, a river, a marae, a waka, which is a boat, and the name of the iwi, which is the name of the tribe. So every morning we encourage the kids to go through their maunga, their awa, which is river, marae. Have you been to a marae? Oh, okay, so you got an understanding, yeah. And just their boats, their tribe, and it's to encourage the kids to be able to stand up proudly and say where they're from, you know, where they come from, and who their family is, and so that there is called a pepeha. 對1871年，紐西蘭政府規定學校嘅是唔得講模擬法。一個世紀過後，許多模擬人都唔曉講模擬法嘅。就算1970年代起時，模擬復興運動聯俄接動嘅舉行，學校度嘅也開始有模擬相關課程。不過亞洲時代嘅傳承，是指到模擬法復甦無顯明嘅氣勢。1979年，一項調查講，45歲以上嘅模擬人，能存到42%會講模擬法嘅。假如唔是講按用嚟教細人嘅嘢，故所一群人放起來呼籲，叫模擬愛靠自家，由民間自家成立嘅語言島。
Came to a big meeting in Wellington in 1979-78, about 100 of them, all fluent, all elders, and all huge sadness over the dying out of the language. And they made a simple statement at the meeting. They said, we've got to stop expecting the government and the Department of Education to address our language. We've got to do it ourselves. That was simply what they said. And they said we have got to do it by grabbing the babies when they're born, putting them to the breast, and beginning to speak, so that the language is caught naturally, not taught.
When Kohanga Reo first started, we didn't have a school structure of learning. We would just, the learning was outside. The learning was just talking about the trees, about the ducks, about the animals. They were exposed to the environment. We talk about our Māori gods. Our learning is done in seasons, 4 seasons, and our structure is under our Māori gods. And most of our children can recite our Māori gods. They can tell you what time of the season it is, through which god.
过些年呢，年年都同一般嘅幼稚園完全冇共用，年年都佢從事傳統毛利文化嘅價值，故所做出本世人呢明年如果嘅倡議嘅毛利人共用，按從事祖先同歷史，從事老早嘅智慧，故所保姆單單如係沙期地度嘅阿公阿婆，對老人家來講，也係一種責任，未感覺過驕傲。
Through the Kohanga Reo, when I was able to come back and learn my language and continue speaking it, with the children. At that time, they needed me, I needed them. It went both ways because I was coming out, I was losing my own language, working in Pākehā environment and speaking the language. But I thank God to the people who prepared the way for us.
一個24歲嘅後生人，如係人講嘅語言都失退，如係第一批對語言都太嘅聲音咧，太學畢業過後，而家天回到語言都。
Able to speak more Māori and pass on what I know to the younger ones. So it's all about revitalising the reo. And that's how I got involved. And love teaching, love little kids. No, it's good.
Tēnei, ka pai. Oh, rua tara mo ia. Rua tara mo, ka pai.
新年呢，對學年前嘅語言受變壓過後呢，嗰度如果來到也只係一耳朵咕啦咕啪啪，如係而呢嘅小學完全學教嘅意思。從一個小學呢要80班，而如係對小學一直到高中嘅年級都有哦。從1班呢，如係差唔多1、2年生呢，如是的看到呢，而能睇教遊戲，還有線上睇教而呢。另外還有其他嘅班呢，而能會比如講有人睇畫圖，而能會針對個年級冇共用嘅學生嘅會設計冇共用嘅課程。
Rewi pa'a. Kai hea koe. He puka puka tahai.
You only can speak the Reo Māori in this classroom, right?
Yeah. The whole school. Yeah, the whole school.
In this classroom is in Te Reo Māori. Everything is taught in Te Reo Māori. The kids speak Māori all the time. They ask the questions in Māori. We deliver in Te Reo Māori. There is no English whatsoever spoken in the classroom.
You start off from the little ones. You come to 3 and 4. Now I got here 5 and 6. You go to 7 and 8. Then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 to year 13. Those are college. So our kids stays with us through college. And when they complete their times here, then they go to university. Yeah, they go straight to, we got our own university, Māori University, which is called the Wānanga. But we also got the mainstream university, Victoria University. So the reason behind that is they know the language fluent from the time they live here. they are fluent, so it will never lose it.
1, 2, 3 in Te Reo Māori.
Tairua toru.
And how do you say hello?
Kia ora.
And how do you say teacher?
Kaiako.
現時紐西蘭有64間毛利語中小學，差唔多有6500個學生嘅，冇算幾多，不過當然如穩定成長。毛利語中小學同一般嘅主流學校唔但將教學嘅語言冇共用，用嚟教物嘅未有所長。
If we talk about the New Zealand curriculum, there are two guiding documents for all schools within New Zealand. One is the New Zealand curriculum, and one is the Marautanga o Aotearoa. Now, the New Zealand curriculum essentially deals with mainstream schools. The Marautanga o Aotearoa deals with Māori medium schools, Reo Māori medium schools. Not just the language, but probably more often than not, it's around tikanga Māori, so Māori way of doing things and Māori ways of thinking, which may help shift people's thinking and how they might consider Māori language.
We teach whakapapa, genealogy. People need to know who they come from. Right? We didn't just arrive here yesterday. Right? We come from a long line of ancestors, and so our tamariki, our children, need to know who they come from, who they belong to. They need to know about the land. They need to know about the names. They need to know about what happened here in former times. They need to know about who settled this land and what became of them. They need to know about the forest. They need to know about the sea. They need to know how to look after the natural world.
先生路強調，毛利學校教主流學校未有教嘅知識、技能同態度，冇強用嘅係對毛利嘅觀點出發。希望葉片嘅聲音呢，就算能擺睇主流社會生活，也會從毛利人睇生活。對自家係乜人，係對外來嘅如有自信。唔過大多數嘅家長還係唔會選擇安尼嘅毛利學校。下二段節目錄向下嚟看毛利語嘅成績後輩，大家係受禮物嘅。